Greetings from the 2026 BMW Motorhome, the mobile home of the future. Designed to revolutionize luxury travel, this is more than simply an RV. It's a statement of refinement and ingenuity. Every inch demonstrates careful design, from its streamlined aerodynamic exterior, possibly with a bold blue and black color scheme, to its sturdy bumpers and integrated LED lighting, as well as the possibility of roof-mounted solar panels that would guarantee energy independence. BMW's engineering skill, possibly a powerful yet efficient turbodiesel engine, lies behind its elegant exterior. It builds on the history of its predecessors to provide a smooth and dynamic driving experience. With a retractable steering wheel, an integrated monitor, and state-of-the-art smart connection that provides adaptive cruise control, the dashboard becomes a command center as you step inside. The 2026 BMW Motorhome improves on-the-go entertainment in addition to the driving experience. Picture a special entertainment area with a big, crystal-clear smart TV and surround sound that's ideal for movie evenings outside. Integrated workstations with plenty of USB-A/C ports and 110V power guarantee productivity and engaging gaming experiences for gamers and digital nomads. These workstations are supported by smooth Wi-Fi and 4G per 5G connectivity. This area is made to accommodate all of your needs and is intended for both interaction and leisure. Enter the bedroom, a haven where comfort and creative design coexist. A good night's sleep is assured with the memory foam power couch bed and high-quality linen. Carefully considered storage options, including as vertical shelves, multipurpose furniture, and underbed drawers, make the most of every available area and guarantee a calm and clutter-free atmosphere. A veritable paradise on wheels, ambient LED lighting creates a serene atmosphere. The 2026 BMW Motorhome's bathroom is an example of small space elegance. It offers all the comforts of a home bathroom, including a sleek, contemporary design, a refreshing shower, and an effective toilet. To make your mobile life genuinely pleasant and easy, smart storage solutions keep toiletries tidy, and tasteful lighting and maybe even a well-placed mirror provide the impression of more space. In the shockingly large and incredibly practical kitchen, prepare delectable meals. It has small gadgets like an induction cooktop and a microwave oven that are optimized for efficiency. Everything has a place thanks to clever storage options including stackable bins, magnetic knife strips, and pull-out pantries. This kitchen's chic surfaces and clever design make cooking while traveling a breeze.